Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, you know Myro is my boy, okay? And I truly do believe Myro will hit at the minimum a couple billion market cap, right? Currently, we're roughly around 150 million right now. And for me, on the low end would be that 2 billion mark, right? Which would still be roughly 15x from now, which I mean, hey, I ain't complaining at the end of the day. Of course, I'm going to want more. And, there's something I haven't talked about Myro, right? Something I haven't really mentioned. But guys, one thing I forgot that's super relevant when it comes to retail is the price, okay? When people are going to see Myro is going to be at $1, $2, which means that's going to be like 1 to 2 billion market cap. They're going to think it's going to go to $100 because that's going to be the new narrative, okay? You have to remember, people like us, we're coming in here early, okay? We're understanding more in general. This is why we're here. It's why you're watching this video, right? Because you're more educated, right? Either something just flip a switch in your head, or you've been here for a while, you've been hunting coins. And, when people don't know too much, they always think the next coin is going to be 100x without realizing, right, that it's not going to hit that price, right? Myro hitting a dollar or $2, right? $1 equals 1 billion market cap, by the way, pretty much, right? So Myro hitting $1 to $2 is very, very easy, okay? That's what I believe. Myro hitting $100, not so easy. Pretty much impossible, okay? So that's the thing, but retail doesn't realize that. Retail thinks, well, this coin can go to $100 because this coin went to a couple $1,000s, and they don't realize the difference, right? Why that's happening. They don't realize what market cap is. They don't realize the supply of coins. They don't understand certain things. And, yeah, that is one thing I have to mention, right? So when people are going to see Myro like at $2, $3, $4, $5, they're going to think it's going to go to 100, which it's not. We know that, but they won't know that. And that's okay, If you snooze, you lose, right? That is the name of the game for crypto. That's why people think it's a scam, because they come in at the top and then they're just like, well, I had like maybe 10% profit and now it's gone down horribly. So, it is what it is. But listen, guys, right? Myro. I will continue making videos about Myro, maybe like 3 times a week, maybe 2 times a week, depending what's going to happen. But overall, right, it is the same thing as always. The next price target that's relevant is going to be roughly 25 to 28 cents because there's a lot of orders over here, right? So it's going to create some kind of resistance, right? We probably will sell off a little bit. Maybe if we have a bigger pullback, we might go back to 20 cents before we continue going up. Overall, the next price target is going to be equal highs. Once we get to equal highs, probably a little bit of a sell-off once again, consolidate before we continue pushing up. Now, I personally think Myro will have 2 pumps in it, 2 massive pumps. We probably will get to 1 to 2 billion first before we sell off a good amount, consolidate, and then before we continue going up to big prices when retail is in, when everyone's in, when everyone's trying to squeeze that final price. And that's why I think, Myro could hit that $8 to $12 range pretty easily, that 8 to 12 billion range. And that is what I believe is going to happen, right? I believe we're going to have 2 massive pumps, kind of the way Doge pumped, right? Doge pumped from, it was like, it was something little to a couple cents, right? It went to like 8 cents, then went back down to 4, and then from 4 cents to like 70. So, that's what I'm talking about with Myro. And that's what I believe is going to happen with Myro. And I'm super excited, right? These are my expected targets, right? Like I said, underwhelming targets, that $2 range. Realistic target is that $5 range. And, all-time euphoria is that $10 to $15 range, which I'm so excited for. Hope you guys are too. Guys, I'll talk to you guys next time.